What's up, YouTube family? It is Tony Collum, the how-to hero, back at you again with another easy to build kitchen island video. This kitchen island is super easy. I'm going to show you a few parts about it, but first things first, I want to thank all the subscribers to the channel. We hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of 2019, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we're pushing to 2K. Okay, so this island is really simple. It is basically a 2x4 wall, two base cabinets stuck together. The picture shows a dishwasher on the end. That is completely up to you. You can make it more than two cabinets, but this is no different than the video where I showed you the other kitchen island, except for this time instead of making the H pattern, you literally build one 2x4 wall, take two base cabinets, put it up against the 2x4 wall, and then secure all of it together, sheetrock the 2x4 wall, put a few pieces of trim on it, and there you go. I'm going to walk you through a little bit more detail than that, but I just want to give you the basic rundown with this nice little nifty little whiteboard sketch that I did here. And before we go too much further, in full transparency, I did not build this island. This is not my product. I did see how it was built, and I wanted to spread to the viewers and subscribers of this channel another easy way to build an island, so I kind of just reverse engineered it, put it in this video so that you can understand how it's done and you can build one for yourself. Again, I have not built this island, but it is simple to build, I promise. Okay, first things first, let's build this 2x4 wall that we've got to support these cabinets with. We're going to start out with this nice little whiteboard sketch that I got going on here, and we're going to throw some labels in there. First thing we've got a double 2x4 top plate, double 2x4 top plate. We've got a 2x4 double bottom plate as well, and then we're going to use 2x4 studs to fill in that gap. And then between those studs, we're going to use 2x6 blocking, and that is what we're going to secure our cabinets to. It's the same type setup I did in the other video, but this time we're adding a little more beef to it. Again, the height of your studs will depend on the height of your cabinets and the total height of your finished product. This is not going to be a, hey, here's how to build it type thing. I can shoot some plans out in the near future. I just wanted to give you a super idea on how to build another really quick, really simple kitchen island for those folks that are really enjoying this stuff. And this is just one I thought would be great to look at. Alright, so just so you don't think I'm pulling your leg, here you can see there's two separate cavities to this island. There's two separate base cabinets. If you look really closely down the center there where the doors open at, you can see the line where the two cabinets meet. This video is not going to discuss plumbing and electrical, that kind of thing inside the island. That is completely up to you, and you know you need to meet your codes, your local codes, so I'm going to let you deal with that. I'm just talking about how to build the basic island itself. So now we can see there's two base cabinets literally stuck together and attached to this 2x4 wall. Alright, so now you've built your 2x4 wall, you've sheetrocked it, and you attached your two or more cabinets or one cabinet to this 2x4 wall. So on each side of those cabinets, the unfinished cabinets, the sides are going to be slightly inset against the face frame, so the face frames are going to stick over just a little bit. And what they've done here is they've taken trim panels and put on each end to finish off those outside edges so that they're paintable material. Whether you use particle board or hardwood or pine or plywood or whatever you use to build your your carcasses out of, you'll have to put a filler panel on the edge to make it paintable and make it look like a finished product. And as you see here, they put filler strips in on the edges where the wall meets the cabinet sides. They put little strips down there to trim those out. And then they put baseboard molding in around the 2x4 wall, shoe mold around the whole unit to give it that finished look at the floor level. And then at the top and on the front sides, they've also put corbels, more trim around the top to make it finished off. Just anything extra you can do to make those finished pieces. Where the two cabinets meet in the middle, you can also put a trim strip down the middle there. It kind of does add a little bulk to the front of it, but it is possible so you don't ever see that gap again, and it gives it that one piece look that you're looking for. Remember, this is a simple kitchen island build. It is 2x4 wall, double 2x4 top plate, bottom plate, 2x4 studs, 2x6 blocking to create the skeleton of the single 2x4 wall. Then you're going to attach one, two, three, however many cabinets that you want this thing to be side by side. You're going to attach them to that 2x4 wall, and then you're going to trim out each side with a filler piece. If you've got cabinets that have the sunk in sides, so you're going to put the trimmer pieces on each side. Then you're going to trim out the whole island where the gaps meet. You're going to trim out the baseboard molding. You're going to trim with shoe molding. You're going to trim with little filler pieces that where the walls touch the cabinets. Those type things, those finishing type things that you would expect to see. And there you have it. Then you're going to find your beautiful top that you're wanting to put on there, and you're going to have a super nice island for really simple. Now, if you decide you wanted to add like a dishwasher or something like that, you just simply build you a little plywood wall on the end and trim it out as well. It's a little bit more detailed, but you can do that. For me, I'm not even thinking about the dishwasher. I'm thinking about the standalone island itself and how simple this build truly is. There's no reason that you can't have a super nice kitchen island and not have to kill yourself to do it. I'm just going to keep giving you ways to build islands and keep showing you the different islands that I see throughout my day. I see them every day, different types, customs to run-of-the-mill islands. So I'm going to keep putting them out there for you. I hope you keep enjoying the videos. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video if you like it, and please feel free to leave me a comment down in the comments. And thanks again.